Hello, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving straight into how to integrate teamwork.com with QuickBooks for easier accounting. First up, you'll want to log into your teamwork.com account. Why? Well, it's because you need to have access to your settings and API key before you can proceed with the integration. This is where all the magic happens, so to speak. Now that we've done that, the next step is to navigate to your profile icon, click on Edit My Details, and then select the API and Mobile tab. This will display your API key, which you should copy for the next step. This API key is basically your unique identifier that allows QuickBooks to communicate with teamwork.com. Next up, log into your QuickBooks account. Once you're in, navigate to Apps from the left-hand menu and search for Teamwork. Click on the Get App Now button to initiate the integration process. This helps us because it's the bridge that connects the two platforms and allows them to interact seamlessly. Now, you're going to be prompted to enter the API key you copied earlier. Paste it in, and then click Connect. Let me explain why this matters. By doing this, you're giving QuickBooks permission to access your teamwork.com data, which is essential for the integration. Once connected, you'll need to configure your settings according to your preferences. Click on Settings in the QuickBooks dashboard, select the Teamwork tab, and make your adjustments. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. You're customizing how data is shared and managed between QuickBooks and teamwork.com, ensuring that it aligns with your business needs. The reason we do this is to streamline your accounting processes, save time, and reduce errors. With teamwork.com integrated with QuickBooks, you can automatically import invoices, expenses, and other financial data, making your accounting tasks a breeze. And that concludes our tutorial on how to integrate teamwork.com with QuickBooks for easier accounting. Remember, the key to a successful integration is ensuring you correctly enter your API key and configure your settings to suit your business requirements. Thanks for joining me, and I'll catch you in the next one.